What is deep learning? Deep learning is one of the most advanced and powerful technologies within artificial intelligence, and it plays a major role in many of the tools we use every day. But what exactly is deep learning, and how is it different from regular machine learning? Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks are made up of multiple layers, which is where the word deep comes from. Each layer processes information in stages, allowing the system to understand complex patterns. While traditional machine learning often relies on simpler models and human-defined features, deep learning automatically learns features on its own. This makes it especially effective for tasks involving large amounts of unstructured data, such as images, audio, and text. So, how does deep learning actually work? Deep learning systems use artificial neural networks made up of interconnected nodes, sometimes called neurons. Each neuron receives input, processes it, and passes the output to the next layer. Early layers detect simple patterns, while deeper layers detect more complex ones. For example, in image recognition, early layers might detect edges and shapes. Later layers recognize textures, objects, and faces. By stacking many layers together, deep learning systems can understand data at a very high level of detail. Training a deep learning model requires massive amounts of data and computing power. The model adjusts its internal settings based on errors, gradually improving accuracy over time. This process can take hours, days, or even weeks, depending on the complexity of the task. Deep learning powers many technologies you already use. Facial recognition on smartphones relies on deep learning. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use it to understand speech. Self-driving cars use deep learning to detect pedestrians, traffic signs, and road conditions. Image and video generation tools also rely heavily on deep learning models. Deep learning matters because it enables machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be uniquely human. It allows computers to see, hear, speak, and create with remarkable accuracy. This has opened the door to breakthroughs in healthcare, transportation, entertainment, and communication. In healthcare, deep learning helps analyze medical images to detect diseases earlier. In finance, it helps identify fraudulent transactions. In entertainment, it enables realistic visual effects and AI-generated art. However, deep learning also has challenges. It requires large datasets, powerful hardware, and significant energy consumption. The models can also be difficult to interpret, making it hard to understand exactly how decisions are made. This lack of transparency can be a concern in sensitive applications. Despite these challenges, deep learning continues to advance rapidly. Researchers are constantly improving efficiency, accuracy, and ethical safeguards. In simple terms, deep learning is about building layered systems that learn complex patterns from data. It's one of the most important technologies driving modern AI, and it's responsible for many of the intelligent systems shaping our world today.